Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you everyday the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about a special guest named Red Rocket, a very new project which is in the pre-sale phase. So if you right now watch this video, you can still participate in joining Red Rocket and make some huge nice profits. You want to make some profits? Then stay tuned and I tell you why this project is so exciting. We're going to the moon one click at a time. Resale is coming soon, so you have here the contract address, and for sure it will be a BB20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Presale coming soon. Presale round 1. We will have 2 rounds. We will look a couple of seconds how it is this rounds. And if you want to participate in the pre-sale, please type your name and your email address and submit, and stay tuned and you will receive a very important message that you are able right now to buy Red Rocket. What makes Red Rocket different from other tokens is that Red Rocket has a utility that will continually fuel its growth. So let's have a look what exactly they offer us. Red Rocket is the first ever token built on the Binance Smart Chain for use by the website traffic industry. Red Rocket is the pay-per-click token that powers the Red Rocket website traffic platform at redrockettraffic.io. The Red Rocket website platform, the traffic platform, allows purchasing of high-quality website traffic with Red Rocket, where a portion of Red Rocket used to purchase website traffic is burned. Members can also earn Red Rocket for free by viewing advertisements on the Red Rocket website platform. That means you get paid to watch some commercials. Guys, this is crazy. I mean, you look TV, right? And in TV you have every day some very boring commercials you already see 100 of times. But here, you get paid for it, right? You don't have to pay it with your time. You get paid for your time. And this is very important. This is the difference of Red Rocket. The unique utility of Red Rocket allows us to leverage the burn resulting from the use of Red Rocket on the Red Rocket website traffic platform with the token, the Red Rocket token tokenomics, to send this token to the moon. And again, why Red Rocket token? Guys, here's another video about this token on their website. I will put all the important links down into the description. Token and utility, what exactly they offer us, or what exactly this token offers us. Red Rocket token is a hyperdeflationary token that combines clickonomics, the burning of token based on the number of ad clicks, with tokenomics. This revolutionary combination exponentially increases the number of tokens being burned over time, resulting in an explosion of the value of Red Rocket token. We are set to go to the moon. Red Rocket website platform. This platform allows members to purchase high-quality human-generated website traffic with Red Rocket token to earn the tokens for free by clicking on a website advertisement. So whether you are a website owner or an affiliate marketer and you are looking for a new traffic source, the Red Rocket website traffic platform has you covered with real users' website traffic. No bots, no software, no funny business, and just 100% human-generated website traffic. So if you need for example, you have a new token project, right? You have an ICO project or a new DeFi project. You can use this Red Rocket to publish your new project. I mean, how sick is that? You earn crypto that this crypto website publish other crypto projects. This is just an idea, and there are many ideas with coming and following up. Tokenomics. We aim to burn at least 50% of our total token supply over the time by automatic and strategic manual burns. Liquidity fee 5%. The backbone of any great token is its liquidity pool. To ensure that there is a strong liquidity pool, 5% of every buy and sell transaction will automatically be sent straight to our liquidity pool. Reflection fees 3%, burn rate 1%, operation wallets. So I don't want to bore you too much with these details. You can read this all by yourself on their website, redrocket.io. I will put all the important links down under the description of the video. The roadmap. For sure, we are phase 1 right now. It's not listed right now on CoinGecko. It's not listed right now on CoinMarketCap. We are still in the pre-sale phase. So that means the pre-sale didn't even start right now. So you have the chance right now to get some very, very cheap token. And how cheap they really are, you can see it here. Pre-sale, the first pre-sale, 10 BNB for 1 trillion Red Rocket tokens. Compared to the next one, you have 75% less bonus, right? And here's the deal. The early bird catch the fish or the worm or whatever they catch. But one thing is sure. If you are an early bird, you will catch huge profits, guys. And this is always what we are looking. We look some projects which are not listed, which are in the pre-sale phase. And here you have the opportunity to make 100x for real with this project. So join redrocket.io. Just go on their website. I will put you all the important links down into the description. They have here also a link tree. I will put this also into the description. A white paper, 20-sider. You can look it by yourself. I don't want to bore you with more details, but you can see here's a lot of effort. Here's a lot of work was doing. People spend here a lot of time and money for Red Rocket. For sure, they are on Twitter with 509 followers and right now on Twitter with 2,640 members. And if you have some questions, just join them on Telegram. They will answer you every question you have, because you will find their real members who are already very interesting to invest in Red Rocket. For sure, they are here on the Discord with 338 members, 24 right now online. So guys, that's it for now. Join Red Rocket, be a part of success. And if you have some questions, write it down into the comments. Leave me a like for the project or the video. It will help a lot to go forward for us, for Red Rocket, or for my channel. And if you like my channel, it will help a lot if you subscribe it. If you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. And until next video, I wish you the very best profits with Red Rocket. Bye.